If you're encountering a player error on Flowplayer 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to playback issues. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that may be causing the player error. Step 3. Update browser. Make sure your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser may not support the latest features of Flowplayer, leading to errors. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Temporarily disable any browser extensions or plugins that might interfere with video playback. Some extensions can block scripts necessary for Flowplayer to function. Step 5. Restart device. If the issue persists, restart your device. This can help refresh system resources and resolve any temporary glitches affecting the player. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the player error on Flowplayer 2026 quickly. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Flowplayer support for further assistance.